Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to write a story using ChatGPT. So first of all, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you use, and you will type here ChatGPT and just tap on this, just click on this first link, which is the introducing ChatGPT. And once you are done, it will open up the ChatGPT website for you. After this, you will see this kind of interface. Tap on try chat gpt and it will open up the chat gpt like uh, console for you. And here we go. And now there is like multiple prompts and multiple ways that you can actually ask for a story from chat gpt. So let's suppose that I will type this: write 200 words short story on motivation about a person who loses everything in his life, and then he did hard work and become successful. So that's so now then you will press enter, and now it will write a short story for you. Okay, John had it all: a successful career, loving family, and beautiful home, but one day everything came crashing down for most John. And then, and here you can see that it's like writing a short story for us. Now you can, now here chat gpt has written this whole story for us. Okay, just based on this. Okay, so and this is just the 200 word story. Okay, now you can just take this, you can like paste it in any paraphrasing tool, and you can just add just the words, and even you can actually like make an ai voice over with it, and you can actually make a youtube video with it by adding the stock images and stock videos. So that's how you can actually use chat gpt to write a short story, or you can use chat gpt to write stories. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.